Miles Road. Dude, there ain't shit here.
No, we thought you guys meant a windy road. That's what it is. Oh, what the fuck, bro? I was waiting for a fucking...
Bro, I was like...
parking lot too. I was like, oh, fuck, it's in the mountain, I guess.
No.
Alright, let me take...
Holy shit. Oh my god. Fucking tweakers, dude. Next time I come up here, we gotta do it again.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm not
Is this like a little getaway for you?
Oh my goodness. Fucking problem. I can only do it during the day.
Gotcha.
The daytime is my, oh, I go to look for cars to handle business. I ain't no fucking dick. I swear to God, half the time I'm not doing dick. I get so fed up with no, I don't want to tell it. I don't want to. That's not what I'm story. Guys, this is my fucking, I'm so happy right now. I'm having so much fun, and I swear to God.
There we go, bro.
Bro, you know what the fuck marriage
It's all
is.
smiles.
Yes, we love her, of course. We love our wives. We married them for a reason. Get the fuck off my dick a little bit. I don't know about yours, but mine's, dude. Get the fuck off my dick a little bit. Seriously.
A lot bit.
Fuck, get off my dick. Shut the fuck up for a minute. I literally just argued with her yesterday too. Like, get off my fucking dick. What do you want from me, man? Why you hate me so much? I don't fucking hate you. Just leave me alone.
Are you guys the same age?
Yeah, well, no, she's 23. I'm 25.
Okay, same age.
Yeah. You know what's fucking stupid though? When she lied me, the fucking bitch. She told me, put me in jail now. Go ahead. She told me when we went home because I was 18. I'm 18. Perfect.
shit.
She was 16.
Oh, shit.
Damn.
Chat?
And she told me, guess what? I fucking told her, right? You were 16? Because all my friends, how I remember you were 16, you're talking to Adam. Yeah.
Like,
you fucking lied to me? Yeah. I
like,
oh, jail. Fucking prison. I swear to God, but I mean, it doesn't matter not married.
It doesn't matter now.
Yeah. But that was a fuck up on my part. I didn't know she was.
It happens. It happens.
is it on?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Shiesty.
Yeah,
Shiesty.
Shiesty. Okay, fuck me in the face. Hold on.
We should ask this guy. He probably fucking knows.
You know? You want some dick? No? Alright, dude. Oh shit, bro. Fuck, guys, I'm
I just want to whip my shit. We got a little teaser. We got a little teaser, and we got pretty. Well, I got pretty excited. I want some more.
Yeah, tell him. Fuck. And I'm trying to find you a spot, but I cannot fucking do it.
Bro, I'm too brown to come out here, bro. I'll get more.
There you go, get more brown.
I'm half a nigga.
Or let's check out that industrial spot, the one nearby.
Sure?
Yeah, let's just check it out. Yeah?
If you want to do it, we can get it. But it's not far. It's going back there, man.
Y'all gonna need security for this.